Hey guys, so I wanted to make this video just to update you guys on what happened after my last video. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, I'll link it down below. Go watch that video first. So here's the update. She sent the money. Can you guys believe that? 2 lost checks in the mail. And then she finally sent it through PayPal an hour after I made that video. If you are still stupid enough to fucking believe Nicole State's lies, click off this video. Please have nothing to do with me, because at this point, it's just mind-boggling. Like, it literally blows my mind the amount of people that still support her. Like, guys, we're really gonna believe 2 checks got lost in the mail and then she just happened to send it through PayPal and it went through just fine after my video? She claims the reason she didn't send it through PayPal to begin with was that because it could take up to 45 days and some bullshit about how you have to choose another charity if it doesn't go to that charity or something. But basically, she took like the rarest situation and ran with it. I guarantee if you go to like the post office website, they'll be like, there's a chance that you'll never get your mail. They have to say those type of disclaimers to cover their ass. Those are rare situations. PayPal, for the most part, is instant. Like, it's instant. It's electronic. It's instant. She literally was grasping at straw. She's like, oh fuck, I got caught. All right, make up excuse. All right, I'm gonna go with this. I'm gonna run with this. My DMs have been blowing up with comments from people telling me about situations in the past about Nicole. Like, I've learned a couple of new situations that I had no idea about that are absolutely disgusting, and I really want to talk about in videos. But see, and this is the thing, like, some of the people that told me these things are like, oh no, keep me anonymous. It's like, why? If something goes down, I'll tell you guys about it. I'm not afraid to stand up for what is right. Let's not twist this into Vanessa loves drama, because that's the stupidest fucking thing. I just laugh when people are like, oh, Vanessa, she's full of drama. It's like, this isn't my fucking drama. This is her drama. I'm just telling you guys about it. I'm not creating shit. I'm telling you guys about the shit. I'm uncovering her lies and her scandals. This has nothing to do with me. I wanted to address a couple of comments that I received, because 99% of you guys had common sense and you're like, holy shit, yeah, this is really fucking weird. I don't believe her. But I think there were three or four people that still didn't get it. You still didn't get it, and there's just no hope for you. There really isn't. Like this person. This person said, just let it go. The time and attention you are giving this hurts you, not her. There are far bigger issues to tackle in this world. You do yourself a disservice by continuing this dialogue. Do you, that's all. First of all, I do me all the time, but I also do this. I try to spread the word about liars and cheaters and scammers, because no one else will do it. No one else has the balls to get on here and call people out. Somebody needs to do it. We need to know about shit that's going down, because they're just going to keep taking your money. Oh yeah, it's going to charity. Going back to Nicole's charity event, if any of you guys were a part of it and your stuff got canceled, please contact me and let me know, because a couple of you guys said that you donated stuff to that and your orders got canceled. So it's just fucking weird. It's weird. Like, she's very good at manipulating people and hiding shit and twisting things around. I gotta read you guys her comment that she said on Instagram about me. Like, it's just, but first of all, hold on, the responses to this. Yeah, this person told me to just let it go, do you. It's like this video will take me like 10 minutes to film, another 10 minutes to edit. You guys always provide me with DMs and screenshots. Yes, this person's reply summed it up perfectly. No, it got Nicole to pay with PayPal. This video did more for the charity than us waiting for Nicole State to be responsible. This person said, you don't think scamming people for charity isn't a big issue? It's actually a crime. There was no first check sent. There was no second check sent. The reason she paid with PayPal is because she got caught. Let's say that, guys. The reason she paid through PayPal is because she got caught. Don't be stupid enough to believe that she was eventually going to do that. It wasn't going to happen. It wasn't going to happen. Just don't believe that bullshit. This person said, honestly, I hate Nicole State. You should have waited longer than a month, 3 months, even 6 months. Like, I'm just going to stop right there. What? 3 months? 6 months? You should have given her 6 months to send the money. Are you fucking kidding me? No. Nicole State posted a bunch of bullshit lying out her ass Instagram stories, and I do have that. I did record it, but I'm not going to include it in this video. Like, it's not, no, she just lied, guys. She's like, oh yeah, I sent a check without tracking, and then I sent another check without tracking? Like, what? Anyway, she posted this on Instagram. It's a comment that she posted on my YouTube video, but you guys can't see the comment because I actually have her blocked. So it went into like a different section of my comments that only I can see it. But she goes, I typically do not feed into this human's lies, but this one went too far. Calling me the liar, saying that I'm lying? Like, what the fuck? You guys, my lies, I have never once said anything about her that isn't true, that isn't backed up with proof. So go fuck yourself, Nicole. And how dare she say that I am lying, especially when there's video fucking proof that no money was ever sent until my video was made. Like, and then she goes, maybe we can turn it into something good and they will donate the money from the video to the DYRK1A Foundation. Like, turning this shit back around on me and saying, oh, well, if you don't donate, then you're a bad person, basically. Fuck you. All right, I'm going to go now. I just wanted to update you guys and let you guys know that the money was sent. But let's not applaud her for that. Let's not applaud her for doing the right thing and doing what she was supposed to have done in the first fucking place. Because the only reason the money got sent is because I made that video calling her out. Again, guys, going through my DMs, it's disgusting to see the other shit that she's done. Like that one time when she was on somebody's Zoom call and she was literally talking shit to somebody else who was on the Zoom call, like making fun of their YouTube channel. Guys, there's just so much shit that people don't know because people are afraid to speak out and talk about this shit. Bottom line is she's a scammer. She's been a scammer for many years now. She does go through periods of time without scamming or without scamming that people find out about. But it's never going to change. It's a pattern with her. It's literally never going to change. She's currently being investigated by Whatnot. So there's that. All right, guys, I'm going to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.